औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 62 इन्नल्लज़ीना आमनु वल्लज़ीना हादू वन्नसारा वस्साबिईना मन आमना बिल्लाहि वल यौमिल आखिरि व अमिला सालिहन फलहुम अजरुहुम इंदा रब्बिहिम वला खौफुन अलैहिम वला हुम यहज़नून. Translation: Indeed, those who believed and those who were Jews or Christians or Sabians before Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, those among them who believed in Allah and the last day and did righteousness, will have their reward with their Lord, and no fear will there be concerning them, nor will they grieve. Word to word translation: Inna lazina, indeed those who amanu believed, wal lazina and those who hadu were Jews, wal nasara and Christian, was sabiina and sabiin. Man who amana believed billahi in Allah, wal yawmil akhiri and the last day, wa amila and did salihan righteousness, falahum will have ajruhum their reward, in the rabbihim with their Lord, wala khawfun and no fear, alayhim will be concerning them, and wala hum yahzanun nor will they grieve. Explanation and reason for the revelation of this verse. This verse addressed the inclusivity of Islam and the principle of universal salvation. It is stated that not only those who believe in Islam but also those who believe in other monotheistic religions such as Judaism, Christianity, and Sabians faith can attain salvation if they believe in Allah, the last day, and perform righteous deeds. The reason for the revelation of this verse is to emphasize the universality and inclusive of Islam as a religion. It acknowledges the validity of previous monotheistic faith and affirm that adherents of those faiths who sincerely believe in Allah, the last day, and perform righteous deeds will be rewarded by Allah. This verse was revealed to address the concern of some Jews and Christians converted to Islam who were worried about the fate of their predecessors and who has passed away before the advent of Islam. It reassured them that as long as individual believes in Allah, the last day, and perform righteous deeds, they will be rewarded by Allah and spared from fear and grief on the day of judgment. Overall, this verse serves as a reminder of inclusivity and mercy of Allah, who reward all those who believe in Him and perform righteous deeds regardless of their religion backgrounds. It underscored the importance of faith and good deeds in attaining salvation and highlights the universal message of Islam.